your great mercy, answer me, O Lord.
In your great mercy, answer me, O Lord.
It is for you that I suffer taunts, that shame has covered my face. To my own kin, I have become an outcast, a stranger to the children of my mother. Zeal for your house consumes me, and taunts against you fall on me.
In your great mercy, answer me, O Lord.
But I pray to you, O Lord, for a time of your favor. In your great mercy, answer me, O God, with your salvation that never fails. Lord, answer, for your mercy is kind. In your great compassion, turn toward me.
In your great mercy, answer me, O Lord.
The poor, when they see it, will be glad, and God-seeking hearts will revive. For the Lord listens to the needy and does not spurn his own in their chains. Let the heavens and the earth give him praise, the seas and everything that moves in them.
In your great mercy, answer me,